Your Cayenne Turbo GT has arrived today, and we should be getting it into PDI here shortly. Philip, how are you, my friend?
Hey, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I'm hoping you have some good news for me.
I do fortunately have some great news for you. Your Cayenne Turbo GT has arrived today.
Oh, man, that's amazing. Well, you know how long we've been waiting for this truck, so
I'm ready to go.
I'm going to clear the schedule and head over there right now. So thanks for the call, man. I'll see you guys in a few.
Absolutely. Appreciate it. See you soon, Phil.
Take care, man. Thanks. Truck is finally here. You heard it first. We're gonna head up now to the dealer. Well, I gotta clear my schedule now because we're going to a meeting, but we're gonna go to the dealer now and take a look at it, unwrap it, and man, I'm super excited. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll see you when we get there. Chauffeur for the day. Wow. You're getting a unique behind-the-scenes tour. The rarest, most unobtainium vehicles are here. But here are some of the cars that are getting ready for delivery. Cayennes. Candy lane out here for Porsche people. We're here at Champion Porsche for a really, really special day. I want to introduce Adam Pence. He's one of the gold technicians here at Champion, and he deals with preparing a lot of vehicles, but more specifically some of the higher end vehicles, whether they be GT cars or the such, I would imagine, right?
Yeah.
And today we are taking delivery of my brand new 2024 Turbo GT. It's finally arrived. It was stuck at the port for quite some time, had me going crazy. And we're gonna unwrap it here. So we're actually in the climate-controlled inventory storage at Champion Porsche, and it's where they have their automotive studio. So we're gonna go in, take a look at the car, and unwrap it. And Adam's gonna help me pull this thing apart because I don't know how to do it. So here we go.
I'll guide you through.
Love that. So it comes from the port wrapped. Obviously for protection purposes.
Yep.
It came all the way from Germany. I went on the boat from Emden all the way here to the port in Jacksonville. And what are we looking for when we're doing this unwrapping? So when we're actually doing this PDI process, and what is the PDI? What does that stand for, and what does it mean?
The PDI is our pre-delivery inspection.
Okay.
So what we do when we're bringing the car in, if when I'm doing a walk around of the vehicle, I'm going to look for anything that's abnormal, anything that's been pulled up, anything that's been pushed in, anything that's been torn or ripped off that has not been opened up to get into the car and to move the car.
Gotcha.
So anything that's abnormal, I look for and I document.
Amazing. Great. All right, so I guess we'll kind of do some of that process here now, and we'll show you basically how that's done. So it's really, really cool for me because one, it's like unboxing a Lego or whatever, it's a new toy when you get it. So how do we start? Do we just literally go to a panel and?
Usually, the best way to start from is just open up the side for the doors.
Okay.
So you can actually enter the vehicle.
All right, great. All right, so here we go. We are unboxing, right? Here we go. And here she is.
Just kind of just fold it over.
All right.
And you can see when you do open up the door, you do see that it's all wrapped over.
Okay, so come and take a look at this.
As you can see, the seats are also protected. So when you can get in and out so you don't damage the seat and the leather and the bolster. To get this side to get it started, I usually start up from the bottom rocker, pull it back, go to the door jamb, pull it back, close the door, and then the same thing on the other side.
Okay. Up here.
Yeah, you just pull them up from underneath, just plastic clips.
Pull it down, and then
the door jamb right here.
Okay.
You just pull it back, and then we can just close the door, so that's clear. Normally what I do, because it is hidden underneath the front lid, as you'll see, as you can see, it's wrapped up underneath here as well. So you're protecting the headlights and all that stuff. So normally how I start, I'll go underneath the car, a clip on each side and each corner.
Okay. I'll let you go ahead and do it.
That hangs up onto the body itself.
You can see why, because there's a lot of rocks and debris and stuff that's caught in the.
So when we just kind of slowly fold it over the front,
I'll let you do that side first so that it, yeah.
Yeah. As you go back now, you get everything from underneath the car on the side of the rockers. It just kind of just pops off.
Okay. There's a system to it.
Yeah, there is a system.
Very German.
Yeah, they are German rocks.
Those are German rocks.
German rocks. Yeah.
or Jacksonville rocks.
Then we just pull it back. And it just kind of slides off the back end.
Got it.
It just kind of overlaps each other. And then just pop that off with that little, and then we'll just lower the hood a little bit and then we'll just slide it right out. There you go.
Love it. Really, really cool. Now the other standard GT cars, they come with carbon hoods.
Yeah.
Most of them,
Yes.
right? So this is not carbon, but it's lighter.
As again, there's like no weight to this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's how it's done. That's how you unwrap a Turbo GT. Let's let's put these last two bumperette things,
Yeah, you
right?
can pop those off too.
Let's go.
So,
Now it's done.
Yeah.
Now, entering the workshop. GT.
So the first thing we're doing, this is the tester. It's already on right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the ignition on after we set up a battery charger to it, so we can keep the voltage where we need to be when we're doing this handover. On these newer cars, there is a back end that will lock you out of the car unless you have an actual PPN login to actually access the control units in the car and actually work and do the maintenance and repairs and all that. Anything that I need to look at, like actual values, this is what's going to allow me to do that. So what we also do, what's part of the process of the PDI, flight mode. We're going to activate that. We're going to install the electronic owner's manual. We're going to reset the mileage, set the maintenance interval in the car as well. Then we can go through and check for any faults or anything that's supposed to be there that's due to the process with the PDI.
All right, so now we're in the East showroom at Champion Porsche. I'm with Porsche brand ambassador Jimmy Hahn. This is my guy. He's helped me along my Porsche journey with what now? This is what, the fifth Porsche? Fourth?
I believe fourth, fifth.
Fourth or fifth Porsche that we're taking delivery of. How we spec'd the vehicle and got to the point that we are today, right? So we are in the, I guess,
configurator lounge.
I'll have Jimmy take you through some of the steps that we went through to get the truck from Germany to here.
Yeah.
So that's it. Let's go.
So first things first, we usually come to the configurator. And what we would do is I would come down here to Cayenne, last one, because he was the big boy. First thing, color combination. We did the Arctic gray, and we did the wheels in a high gloss black. And of course, for interior options, we went with full leather. Phil does like the option to have the ventilated seats, which you cannot get in the Turbo GT deviated stitching package. And then from here, we can do all of the a la carte options. Underdoor portal lights, of course, exclusive design fuel cap. For performance, ceramic composite brakes, went with the high gloss black option. Clear taillights, Phil loves the clear taillights. We opted for the seat belts in chalk, GT steering wheel in carbon fiber. Something where you can configure the key pouch, the leather, the stitching, the key color to color match the vehicle exterior color.
Can't really see it from there probably, but there it is.
So from here, what we would do is after we do the whole complete build, at the very bottom, it would create a Porsche code. This is all I would need to place Phil's build. Copy code, and it's sent it right over. And then therefore, the process began. Just in time.
That is how you configure and custom build your Porsche, whether it be a 911, whether it be any of the models that you can get from Porsche. You build it and they build it. And that's it, now it's there.
From virtual to reality, just like
Pretty insane. So you'll see it here in a little bit. Really cool. Thanks so much, Jimmy. Appreciate you, always.
Gotcha.
Thanks, man. Gave me the key. Look at the key, dog. Look at the key. You can't see the key because it's in this pouch that you can't see the key in. Thank you, brother.
In good health.
Appreciate you.
Much nicer than the last one. You're gonna enjoy this really, really nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
A privilege to build and spec it with you.
Yeah, man.
Can't wait for the next one.
Yeah. What we got coming up next?
That's for another.
That's for another date?
That's for another
All right, cool. Anyway, thanks to my family over here at Champion Porsche for, first of all, the allocation, because not everybody can get one of these. So thank you for that.
I got you.
And we got a lot more coming up. And thanks for the whole team here, Adam, Kyle, Mitra, for making this experience really, really great. So until the next one, see you later.